Jason! Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! All right. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MSMS180. Mason, what year is this girl? 95? 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse GST. Danger to manifold, folks. This bad boy is fast and rusty. Womp, womp, womp. That's sad. Yeah, this thing is crusty with a capital K. 4G63 under the hood, sold complete with the turbocharger. We're gonna fire it up here in just a minute.
It will not fire up.
Oh, it will not fire up.
It fired up for me for a brief second and then it just stopped.
Okay, we'll give it an attempt.
I'm guessing it doesn't have spark.
Doesn't have, well.
Yeah, starting fluid didn't get it to go either.
Well, we'll give it the old college try here, but 4G63 sold complete with the turbocharger. Transmission obviously listed separately. You're not going to get the MAF or any of the electronics on this motor. We are going to be parting those out. I know our backside will do a great job of getting that. Loaded front bumper assembly, complete with fog lights and side markers. Got some minor rust staining here, but she's good from afar and far from good. No, I'm just kidding. That's a pretty nice bumper. All the ground effects appear to be broken on this other than the rocker molding. Nice OEM rear bumper, nice hatch, spoiler, 3-piece spoiler assembly. The rear bumper will come with the reverse lights. Step inside here. The driver's door panel is in great condition, will not come with the master window switch. The seat got chewed on, but hey, it is what it is. See what else is good in here. Let's at least test some parts. I'm gonna have to get a box on her. The old battery is not too happy. Wouldn't be a J&J test video without battery issues.
I did that one deliberately on purpose.
Did you?
Yep.
Jerk.
Rusty.
Yeah. This thing lived its life in Northeast Ohio, guys. Like,
It's got the old Northeast Ohio weight reduction.
DSM glory hole. All right, let's test some parts now. Told it doesn't have sparks, so we'll see what's going on there. She wanted to. That's weird. Load her up. She's running. Let's see if we can clear it out. Obviously it's been sitting for a while, guys. I'm gonna let it run. It's got a decent misfire in it. I can feel it. Yeah, it's got a miss down low here, but how's it running back there? Pig rich. Hey, she's idling, guys. What's going on in here?
Oh no, man, I don't know. Hold on.
Oh.
What's going on?
All right, Guys, hurry up. I'm late for a date at Harry's to get my nitrous oxide installed. Mason, you got my air fuel controller ready? Mason! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Alright. Let's test some parts. Climate control works well. Wiper motors wipe. Window switch is window switch. There we go. Sunroof does sunroof things. Oh, it's not a full, okay, that's cool. There we go, very nice. Let's go ahead and test out that transmission here. What is the shift pattern on this girl? The brakes are hard locked. Okay. It has got a set of oh yeah, the pedal's hard as a rock. Yeah, she's got stuck calipers. This thing might have been sitting for a while, not really sure. But it runs. It runs and it runs rich. I wonder if this thing's been sitting for a hot minute. Regardless, guys, that is going to wrap up the test video of MSMS180, our 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse GST. Here she is. Yeah. Oh, the blow-off valve's missing. Yeah. That's why it wouldn't start, guys. That's what's called an unmetered air leak. The MAF has already compensated for that air. You get what's going on there?
I understand what's going on.
John's tech tip of the day, guys. If you have an air leak after the MAF, the car has no idea what's going on. So right here, there used to be a blow-off valve, and all this pressurized air from this turb ski is now coming out of here instead of making it into there. So the old computer is trying to overfuel and compensate. Yeah, John's tech tips. Anyways, guys, I'm way more confident in this motor now that I know what's going on with it. That makes perfect sense. That explains all the turbo surge I have going on and this cloud of smoke because it's just trying to overfuel. Like I said before, guys, if you're looking for any of the parts off of this car, I'll leave a link in the description down below to our website, www.jnjautorwrecking.com, or you can give us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm going to answer your question right now. Yes, that's a 3000 GT VR4. No, it's not for sale complete. We broke the motor. Guys, I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.